Hi, you guys. I know we went over a lot yesterday, and there are a bunch of different assignments, and it's probably confusing which is 0999, which is 1101. So I just wanted to make sure that you are aware of what we have due tomorrow. Uh, so let me see. I'm going to look. Here's the English 1101 schedule page. The simple stuff which we went over in class yesterday, golden rules 6 through 10 are the reading. This is the assignment that's due tomorrow midnight, writing exercise 2. This is the one where if you just copy and paste the text of the paragraph and the 2 items for the works cited page also in part 2 into the template document you created yesterday in class. So you'll create this document, and then you will turn it in the English 1101 Brightspace. There is, if you look in the calendar for tomorrow, August 19th, writing exercise 2, MLA formatting. So that's the one assignment for 1101 that's due Wednesday. And there will be another. I will post a link here probably Thursday for the Golden Rules exam. That one so Wednesday first, but then after that, between Wednesday and next Monday, the Golden Rules exam. And I will again put links to the readings here, these next two. I hope your textbooks have gotten to you or are on the way. And in the 999, I have the practice quiz, the Golden Rules quiz for your own benefit to help prepare you for the Golden Rules exam, but the only actual assignment, the assignment that'll be graded that you submit, is this reflection 1, writing the paragraph on why you're in college, what you hope to get out of college, and that you will submit in the other Brightspace, the 0999 Brightspace, and it too shows up in the calendar, reflection 1. So, and then you won't have any work to do for 999 for Monday. So I know it's a little chaotic and confusing at first, jumping between both classes, but it'll become a habit and will be less confusing the more we do it. And always, this week or anytime, if you have questions, let me know. All right, I'll see you soon.